Boom! So what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to blueberry picking, and right now it's 7 p.m. but we're still going because it's still bright. I'm just getting my plastic bags. Oh man. So we're getting buckets already for the blueberries. Thank you. So there are many aisles and we chose to go here to get blueberries. There's a lot. You just pick one, whatever you like. You always have to choose a big one. It's like these in the basket. Big ones here. I'll get them all. Okay, for you guys, I'm gonna eat one. Even though it's dirty, I'm just gonna do this.
What?
I'm gonna eat it. It's pretty sweet. I was right. When it's big, it's sweet. So sweet. But it's dirty. In the summer, we actually do this every year. Like picking blueberries or strawberries and red berries. There's red berries. But for now, we're just picking blueberries because it's gonna close down because it's getting late. A side story, I remember when my grandfather was still here and we took him here and we picked blueberries together. We had so much fun. So if you're watching Lolo, big shout out. So guys, we're going and it's pretty dark right now. Kind of. In camera it isn't. So we paid for the blueberries that we picked, and they were $16 in total. Yeah. Oh, we see that sunset.
A few inches later.
So after washing the blueberries, we're gonna make a blueberry shake. So right now we're gonna make a blueberry shake. We have milk, blueberries of course, ice cream, strawberry ice cream, and this yogurt. And if you want, you can add protein powder. So first, put milk first, then you put blueberries. Let's try that. And then put ice cream, yogurt if you want, protein powder, that's ready to shake. Let's try it out. So it's very sweet. That's perfect. So that's how you make it.
Nice.
So that's it for this vlog. If you guys like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and peace out. Cheers.